What are security incidents? Security incidents are the type of cyber events in which there is an attempt of unauthorized access, information disclosure, modification, tampering, data loss or compromising business functions. The typical examples of cybersecurity incidents are 1. Compromising organization systems. 2. Unauthorized access to an organization's infrastructure. 3. Theft or loss of equipment and information. 4. Phishing attack. 5. Ransomware attack. 6. Denial of service attack. 7. Privilege abuse. 8. Internal and external theft. What is a cybersecurity incident response plan? A cybersecurity incident response plan is a set of instructions supporting an organization to timely detect a cybersecurity incident, analyze the incident by assessing its severity level and respond to mitigate the negative consequences. How to create an incident response plan? In general practice, organizations draft their incident response plan based on the business environment and infrastructure. The requirement varies from large to medium business, but the core phases of the incident response cycle remain the same throughout the process. These core phases are as follows. 1. Preparation. 2. Detection and analysis. 3. Containment. 4. Eradication. 5. Recovery. 6. Post-incident activity. Roles and responsibilities for handling incidents. Before planning the incident response procedure, an incident response team, IRT, should be devised to lay out the roles and responsibilities for handling security incidents. Typically, the security incident response team is comprised of the following personnel. 1. Incident Manager. 2. Threat Intelligence Manager. 3. Legal Representative. 4. Its Security Team. Final recommendations. 1. Create an inventory of assets for which you need to draft an incident response plan. 2. Calculate the severity levels for all assets and prioritize which needs to be addressed first in case of a security incident. 3. Communicate the incident findings and lessons learned to all the stakeholders to increase the cybersecurity attack resilience. 4. Review previous incidents affecting the organization and general cybersecurity news to stay relevant with the evolving changes. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.